These are the upcoming corporate events: Nifty 50 stocks events, Nifty Next 50 stocks events, and Nifty Midcap 50 stocks events. DHFL. DHFL's share will be delisted from the stock exchange after Piramal Capital and Housing Finance's acquisition is completed. Piramal emerged as a successful bidder for the company. Vedanta. National Company Law Tribunal's Mumbai bench approved the resolution plan submitted by Twin Star Technologies for acquiring Videocon Industries. Anil Agrawal owned Twin Star Technologies offered to pay 2,962 crores against Videocon's liabilities of around 62,000 crores. 50% of the overall debt is accounted as debt. The rest is in terms of guarantee for Videocon Oil Ventures Limited. Max Financial. Max Financial's net profit rose to 70 crores for financial year 21 Q4 from 6.7 crores. Consolidated revenues was up almost 129% to 9,760 crores. Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda will e-auction at least 46 NPA accounts later this month. The bank is looking to recover dues of Rs 597.41 crores. The bank will sell these NPA accounts to asset reconstruction companies, banks, NBFCs or other financial institutions on a 100% cash basis. Adani Enterprises. The company has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary for manufacturing wind turbine generators. Prestige States. Prestige States net profit jumped to Rs 1336.3 crores during Q4 from 15.4 crores. This is mainly due to the monetization of large portfolio of commercial assets. JSW Steel. JSW Steel has completed the payment for the acquisition of Welspun Corporation's high-grade steel and coils manufacturing business. The value of the deal was Rs 848.50 crores. Religare Enterprises. The company's board approved a fundraise of 570 crores from investment firms like Burman Family and RSSG Capital along with some new investors. Tata Power. Tata Power may buy 51% stake each in Western Electricity Supply Company of Odisha, Southern Electricity Supply Company of Odisha, and Central Electricity Supply Company of Odisha Limited. Power Grid. Power Grid has commissioned India's first voltage source converter based high voltage direct current. Tata Motors. The company has incorporated a new subsidiary to provide end-to-end services like operating, repair, annual maintenance, contracts, and fleet management services. Today, Nifty ended at 15,635, 104.75 point down, or else 0.67% down. Sensex also has gone down today. Let's see the top gainers and losers. Power Grid, SBI Life, NTPC, Titan, Coal India were among top gainers, whereas Tata Motors, Adani Ports, Shree Cement, L&T, Reliance were under top losers list. Today, 12 stocks gained, whereas 38 stocks lose. Let's see the FIDI activities. Well, today data didn't come, hence I did not updated it, but I have changed the chart format to bar chart so that our readability will be good. Let's see Nifty total open interest. 55% call has been sold today. So later part of the day, more call has been sold. That's why call percentages are more in open interest. Let's see the Nifty total change in open interest. Here 45% call has been sold, whereas 55% negative put has been sold. Let's see the Nifty volume. Here 51% call volume has been traded. See the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty total open interest, if we see, then 68% call has been sold if we compare it against the put, which is 32%. Let's see the change in open interest of Bank Nifty. Here 56% more call has been sold. So clearly it is showing that bearishness is there in Bank Nifty. Let's see the Bank Nifty total volume. Here 51% more call volume has been traded if we compare it against put. Support and resistance, if we see, then weekly Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance are here. So Nifty support is at 15,500 and resistance is at 15,800, whereas Bank Nifty support is at 34,000 and resistance is at 35,500. Let's see the Nifty open interest distribution. Here more open interest distribution was happening around 15,800, whereas on put side at 15,000 put open interest was building up, which was second highest. So first was 15,500. There most of the open interest was building up. See the Nifty change in open interest distribution. Here people have squared off the positions from put side. Earlier in beginning first part of the day people are making more positions on put side, but suddenly one move came around 11 o'clock. There people have squared off the positions and they started making positions on call side. Let's see the Bank Nifty open interest distribution. Here more open interest buildup is happening around 35,500 followed by 36,100. If we see the put side, here around 33,900 put open interest buildup is happening. It clearly showing that bearishness is there in the Bank Nifty. Let's see the Bank Nifty change in open interest distribution. Here also people have squared the positions on call side and more selling positions was happening on call side and people were afraid of making positions on put side. That's why you can see the green bar is less on lower strike prices. Let's see the broad market indices. So here all the indices performed negative today. So most negative index was Nifty Mid Cap 50 followed by Nifty Small Cap 50. So this particular indices performed huge negative today. And if you see the very less negative performance, then Nifty next 50 stocks performed very less negative. Let's see the sector wise performance. Here textile industries has gone down like anything today, followed by cement and cement products. Only power and services sectors were gaining today. Otherwise, all other sectors were losing. Let's see the most active stocks. Here, Tata Power, Yes Bank, Idea, BHAL, and PNB were among top active stocks by volume. Here, Tata Power only gained, otherwise, all other stocks, Yes Bank, Idea, BHAL, PNB were losing. So, major selling was happening in these stocks. Let's see the most active stocks value wise. Here Tata Power, Adani Ports, Tata Motors, Adani Ent, Indiabulls Financing Limited. These were among top active stocks by value. Here Tata Power only gained, otherwise Tata Power and Indiabulls Housing Finance only gained, otherwise Adani Ports, Tata Motors and Adani Ent were losing. Let's see the government events. So these are the government events in upcoming days. ECG MTG, US CPI and US core CPI. Look forward for these events if you are going to make any major or huge investment in stock market. Thank you guys for watching this video.